Hello my lovelies and welcome back to another video. I always get suggestions on super elegant, sleek hairstyles, so this one is for you. This hairstyle is my rendition of the Chignon hairstyle. I think they're so beautiful, they're elegant, they never got a style, and I think you will love this one. I'm first going to spray some flexible hairspray throughout my hair just to give it that extra texture, hold, and shape, and that way the whole hairstyle will look really nice. And this is by the brand Kadus Professional. They're a really great brand. I love their products. I'm going to create a nice deep part because I think it looks the prettiest with this type of hairstyle. But of course, you can always sleek your hair back if it's long enough, or you can do a nice middle part. I'm going to take most of my hair into a side low ponytail, focusing the ponytail on my left side where I have most of the hair, but keeping this portion out, like this fringe portion, out of the ponytail because we're gonna overlap it over the chignon. Before I put everything into the ponytail, I want to make sure all of the hair going into the ponytail is nice and smooth, there's no random bumps. I'm gonna take some of the flexible hairspray onto my teasing brush, spray the teasing brush, and then brush my hair into the ponytail and secure it with a clear elastic. I'm gonna take two bobby pins and link them with the clear elastic right in the middle. I'm gonna take the two bobby pins that I linked with that clear elastic. I'm gonna take one of the bobby pins and secure right underneath the ponytail when I pick it up, and then take the other one on the other side and secure it underneath the other side of the ponytail, and that way you have like this weird looking waterfall ponytail right now. This little mini hair donut I'm going to use as my little shaper for the chignon. So I'm gonna kind of squish it down so it's not a circle, and I'm gonna place it right underneath the little waterfall ponytail that's happening right now, and then take bobby pins and make sure you secure the little donut to your hair. And then I'm gonna take that ponytail and bring it down over the little mini donut and take little bobby pins and just secure the hair right into the donut, because that's the best part. It just holds your hair for you, especially if you have short hair. This is the trick, the little mini donut. So now that we have the chignon, am I saying that correct? Chignon, I think I am. The little beautiful hairstyle in the back, all pinned away, nice and sleek. Now I'm gonna move on to my fringe, and I'm gonna work in sections just because I want this hairstyle to be really elegant, sleek, but I also wanted to give those really sleek lines with this fringe. That's why I'm working with it after I created the chignon. So I'm just gonna take a section of hair. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that flexible hairspray before I wrap it around the bun and towards the back. Just brush it out. Take a little bobby pin and just wrap it around your hair and secure it with a bobby pin. And the reason why I'm working in sections with my fringe is because my hair is a little bit shorter towards the front, and I do have a little bit of layers. I'm still growing them out with the rest of my hair. So that's why I'm working with sections of hair to make it easier on myself, so I don't have to be securing a big chunk of hair. And I think it looks prettier when you do it in sections. For this section of hair, I'm going to pin it right on this side of the bun, and then to hide the rest of the hair, I'm gonna pin it underneath or over the bun, whichever looks better. I'm gonna take some extra hold hairspray and spray it and just kind of comb it down with my hands, fingers, or just take a brush and just smooth everything down. So once I have the hairspray in my hair, I smoothed down my hair and reshaped some of the hairs that I didn't really feel like looked as good. So this is the point when the hairspray is on, go back and shape things, maybe hide bobby pins if you have to hide them. And this is kind of like the sculpting and perfecting portion of the hairstyle. And here is the final look when it's all sleeked down, it's polished, but I do want to jazz it up a little bit with some hair jewels. I'm gonna take this little hair jewel that kind of looks like little branches with pearls on them, and I'm gonna place it on one of the sides of my chignon. And let's do one more for good measure. What do we think? Isn't this a beautiful hairstyle? And the best part is, it is so easy to do. All you need are some bobby pins, a clear elastic, and a little donut, or you can even probably use a sock if you want, but I would recommend a donut. They're super cheap. And you have this beautiful masterpiece of a hairstyle. And Andres said he loves the curves that this hairstyle creates. He can ride them. Who knows what that means? He's gonna buy himself a surfboard to ride these waves. And thank you to Kadus for working with me on this video. I'm so appreciative. I love their products, and so will you. And that completes my spiel. Thank you for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.